Take a ride in the 2007 Freestar. Ford Freestar's strongest suit is safety. Freestar earned 5 stars in the government's front impact crash testing and was named Best Pick by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety following rigorous crash testing for the insurance industry. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, power mirrors, remote power door locks, rear wiper, cruise control, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.